Can life teach you more than books? Flushed. Or is education still important? Let's break this. This is a common PTE essay topic. Today, I'll give you ideas, vocabulary, and the perfect answer. You can only write an essay if you have ideas about that particular question. So, let's discuss a few positive and negative points. First, why experience is important. It gives practical knowledge. It helps in real-life situations and improves problem-solving skills. But education is also necessary. It provides basic knowledge. It saves time, and not everything can be learned through experience. Use words like practical knowledge, theoretical knowledge, and real-life situations. Or simple words like experience, learning, and skills. Start with a hook. Learning can happen in many ways, both inside and outside the classroom. And paraphrase the topic. Some people believe that life experience is more effective than books or formal education. Then say, I partly agree with the above-mentioned statement, which I will be discussing in the upcoming paragraph. Thesis statement could be used in every agreement and disagreement essay. In Body 1, explain experience. By sharing main idea, firstly, experience is a powerful teacher as it provides practical learning. Then explain it. People learn better when they face real-life situations, which helps them develop problem-solving skills and long-term understanding. And give example. For example, I learned how to manage money only after handling my own expenses, which was more effective than reading about it. In Body 2, explain education. By sharing main idea, however, formal education also plays a crucial role. Then explain it. Books provide theoretical knowledge and help people learn from others' experiences, saving time and effort. And give example. For instance, medical students must study textbooks before practicing, as they cannot rely only on experience. Finally, give a balanced conclusion. In conclusion, both experience and education are important for learning. Therefore, a combination of practical experience and formal education is the best approach. That's how you can score 79+ in PTE essay. What do you think, experience or education? Comment below.